Hey guys, in this video me and my mates are going to be going out looking for abandoned places to go in.
Oh guys, stop!
Whoa, what? Oh yes! Right, park your bikes. Oh, that's the Class A parking. What do we have here?
I'm getting my torch out. No. It looks like an old Second World War pillbox to stop
Pillbox,
the
yeah.
Germans from blowing us up.
And there's an airfield back there, so it might be. I don't know, go around the edge of it, there might be some other stuff.
Wait,
It's manky.
look, guys, look. My name is Jeff.
It looks like it's been broken into down there, look.
Yeah, but it's a tiny house, so I don't think. Guys, this is where the machine gun would have been.
Is it?
Look. See, look. Look, it would have, look. Ah, this. Look, okay, look. I got my look there. So it goes
Shine a
like-
torch in there, see what it says.
Oh, what does it say?
It's got right on the wall.
You,
By law. Say
Wait,
up
it
there,
says-
shine up. If you...
by law, you have.
Law. What the hell? Give me a torch. Yeah.
Ow.
Me in here, it says.
For jeepers.
If you, me in here,
Ollie.
by law, you...
Come all over
And
us.
midges.
Ollie, you've definitely got to get. I'm getting out of here. I get you all the time. Get off.
Go, go, go!
Guys, out. Stop pushing me this hill down there. I'm trying to save you. But
That is kind of creepy though.
Yeah. I think we're going to leave this place, guys. See if we can find another one. Sammy, you made a traffic jam! Right guys, so we think we spotted another place. We just parked up the bikes and we think it's up here. Where is it, Sam?
there, guys,
Oh wow,
I found some carrots.
carrots. Santa's reindeer.
This is, guys. This is, by the way, this is like Santa's actual like portal to like
Wow.
Snowdonia.
He
Like,
left the carrots down there.
yeah, he left the carrots. See,
That's
that's
Snowdonia.
guys. That's proof. That's proof.
Why is there a carrot here?
I'll get the torch out, so let me just straight up gone in. Alright, what's it like in
Guys,
there?
can someone get a torch? I'm gonna like.
That echoes.
I'm scared.
That means it's big.
I'm scared.
I laugh if like this just shuts across now and he gets stuck in.
Oh my god. I'd cry. I'd cry more than him.
I'd laugh.
I'm getting out. I'm getting out.
I'd laugh a lot.
In there. Actually, should I run to the end? Have to all come back.
Yeah, we'll film you.
Oh,
Right, pass me a torch. Go,
oh my god,
go,
that
go.
is so big.
Go.
Oh my gosh.
What's in there?
Someone probably lives down there.
Guys, I swear this is a homeless guy. This is like the
Probably is, yeah. Keep going down.
kid thing.
What's that at the end?
It's like.
If our bikes get nicked, I'm gonna be so annoyed.
Oh, it's like an old like tin thing. Ow, what's that old money?
Ah!
You know the Great Escape?
Yeah.
Have you seen the Great Escape?
Yeah?
You know that little tunnel they made?
Oh, is that it? That'd be funny, wouldn't it, if they filmed it here?
It looks like that. Oh, that's actually quite nice.
Come out, come out.
Ah! Bugs.
You know, parkour route ninja.
Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-da, smack. Right, guys, so we don't know of any more of these places.
I'm gonna park and ride.
We're going to park and ride, yeah. I think we're going to go to an abandoned park and ride now. We'll see how that turns out. We've got to cross this road first, though. Right, go, go. It's just luck! Luck! Alright, we'll go with you, Sam, to the next one. Alright, guys, we'll see you at the next place. Alright, guys, so we're at another abandoned place, we think. But they've also blocked this one off, we think, also. There's bricks and stuff there. Steps leading up. That's where the doorway was. Just blocked that up.
Just take, guys, just take. It used to be just here. But it's not anymore. So
That would have been down there, wouldn't it?
If we've got to go get some like C4 explosives.
Yep.
And we're gonna
No, definitely, this is something, isn't it? 'Cause
This is
is man-made.
something. But I don't know
might be
what.
something there.
another door here.
There you go, there's the entrance. I don't want us going in there. do
I
I?
reckon I could fit down there. Let's go.
I reckon you could try it.
Sammy, how did you know about here?
On my
Get
way.
stuck.
Inside lane, missing exits, glued to the pavement. Between the lines, keep my gaze straight ahead.
Super top, super raw. Oh, it's matte grey as well. That's decent. And Tesco's.
Full steam through the setbacks. You can't win them all.
Alright guys, so we think we found another place. This is a park and ride we used to come to a lot.
get
Looks to
into
be
town.
pretty abandoned, everywhere's boarded up.
Why did it add
A lot of honking. Look, it's all barriered off and a lot run down. All curb. And there's a ramp! I'm going up that. You do that, do that. Nod. Now go up it. That's loud. Right guys, so we're just under the motorway in an abandoned park and ride it seems, so we'll see how this goes down. Think we could climb it?
Huh?
Think we could climb it?
Probably.
Want to film me do it?
I was going to do a couple of wheelies.
Alright. Oh, come get the camera!
Alright guys, so he's climbing it, Wait, shall I throw the camera up? There's a football there!
Come get that camera. Come on, get it.
Hey guys. Wait, is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh,
Always recording.
it's always recording. Look right into the viewer's eyes.
Oh my god! Was that a piece of glass on my tyre?
Ollie's having a go. He's going to show me up.
Why are you in gear 3 trying to wheelie?
Is that why?
You've done something to this bicycle, I'm going to blame it on you.
I haven't broken it. Why are you so good? Bearing in mind my bike isn't very good. Let's be honest. I thought you were going to go straight into the wall. That would have ended very badly.
Alright, so let's end it here. Oh, that's good ending. Alright, guys, abandoned places, like, subscribe, bye.
Sober case, I'm dwelling on him.